Hi, my old friend. Hope you all are doing good. And thanking you to all of you for watching my previous videos. And hopefully you all are benefited from my videos too. Last week in Nifty spot at closing was 11,464 levels, and today I am analyze the Nifty 50 spot and making this video on Nifty 50. Nifty 50 last week closing above 20 DMA, and close above the 20 DMA and test the 50 near about 50 DMA. This to give a good signal for the Nifty 50 at this moment. Above 20 DMA Nifty is showing some bullishness in at this moment. Last week I told you to all of you that Nifty can retrace, and it retraces near 50 level, 50 DMA, and it sold and close above the 20 DMA. This is a good sign for the Nifty 50. Also, the one bearish sign is that Nifty 50 lower trend Nifty 50 trading lower trend channel, upper trend, a trend channel, and below the lower trend line. This is going to be a resistance level for this Nifty 50. The lower trend line at this moment, if not cross above that and to sustain above that level, Nifty 50 is going to be a very bullish for the coming weeks or coming months. Only above that trend line, if when that trend line is hold, then Nifty 50 going to be bullish. Otherwise, it is maybe in a play in trade in a sideways moment. 11,785 levels or 11,800 levels is going to be a very good resistance levels at this moment. 11,785 to 11,800 levels is a good resistance levels at the moment for the Nifty 50 spot. 11,420 and 11,180 levels is the two major support levels at this moment. The long-term support is 11,800, 10,800 levels. Sorry, 11,800 is the resistance levels, and 10,800 is the long-term support. Is a long-term support levels. The 200 EMA at this moment at trading at 10,800 levels, and this is going to be a very strong support levels for the Nifty 50 for the long term. So at this moment, for my view that Nifty 50 is a sideways upper movement can see in coming weeks with a support of 11,420 levels to 11,180 levels. And the resistance will be 11,785 levels to 11,800 levels is a good resistance level at the moment for the Nifty 50. I'm making this video for the educational purpose. Hope you all benefited from my videos too. Those who wants to trade on my video is analysis this chart with yourself, or before taking any position, or you can consult with your financial advisor before trading any position. And thanking you to all of you, my friends, for watching my videos, and thanking you to all of you again.